Hello, welcome to Markville Chevrolet, your truck experts in Markham and the GTA. Hello, my name is Nick Zanzonico, and this month is Trunk Month. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado, the strongest and the most advanced Silverado ever. The model that we're looking at is the Custom Trail Boss. It's equipped with a 355 horsepower 5.3 V8 engine with 383 pounds-foot of torque. What we're talking about here is a serious off-road machine for a serious off-road adventure. What separates the Custom Trail Boss from the competition is the 2-inch lift right from the factory. You've also got your Z71 suspension with Rancho monotube shocks, hill descent control, skid plates, and more. In terms of appearance, we've got 18-inch high-gloss black painted aluminum wheels with Goodyear, Wrangler, Duratec off-road tires. Stunning high-gloss black grille bar with mesh inserts. Next, the Custom Trail Boss is equipped with a trailering package. It includes the trailer hitch 7-pin and 4-pin connectors, auto-track 2-speed transfer case, and hitch guides with hitch view. Compared to the previous model year, we have bigger corner steps to accommodate bigger boots. This particular truck is equipped with a 4-inch side steps with a hard tri-fold tonneau cover. Compared to the competition, we have a vehicle that we can put into 4 high or 4 low without putting it into neutral. With today's technology, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With comfort and convenience, we have 4 inches more legroom than the previous generation. This Custom Trail Boss starts at $45,000 with a V6 4.3 liter engine. Now the V8 nets out at $46,500 with all truck month credits.